Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the session.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so what we have discussed in the yesterday session,
About virus, sir.
okay, well, just a moment. Yes, so today we are going to continue the virus practical part. So kindly allow me so that I can share my screen right now. So now we are good to go. Yes. So let me turn on the Windows 10 operating system. Yes, so it's turning on. Info section. Let me open the notepad as well. So so in the yesterday session, we have discussed about a topic known as virus, right? So in the virus, what we are going to do, we are going to first creating a file, right? So the file will be like text file, right? Inside the text file, what we are going to do, we are going to write some malicious code with the help of Bash programming language, right? So the text file extension will be at the end like .txt, right? So we have to convert from .txt to .bat file, right? And once we have converted from .txt to .bat file, then we have to save the file and then we have to share it to the victim. Okay. So this is the scenario that we have seen and that we have discussed in the yesterday session, right? So if the victim is double clicking on the .bat file, so the virus, that the malicious code that we have wrote, right, inside the text file, it's going to be getting executed in the victim system, right? So for to execute the virus, we need the victim interaction. Okay. To execute the file or to execute the virus, we need the victim interaction. So right now we are going to continue with the practical part. Okay, yesterday we have discussed some practicals. Okay. So today we are going to continuing the same topic. Okay, so just give me a moment. Good. So first, what we have to do in the yesterday session, we have took some. Okay, so in the yesterday session, what we have done, we have took some text file and we have wrote some code, right? If we have remembered at the rate echo of, and then we have wrote mkdir, right? If I wanted to show you the code, so this is the code that we have executed yesterday. Right, first we have used this code, shut down /s /f /t 0. Right, this is the code. The first practical that we was performed in the yesterday session. And after that, we have performed this practical at the red echo of, and we have created the folders using the mkdir command, right? Mkdir hacker command. And then we were use this command, right? At the red echo of, and this mkdir hacker1, hacker2, hacker3, right? To create the folders, right? This is the script that we have discussed in the yesterday session. Okay. So by moving ahead, okay. Cool, cool, cool. And this is the command that we have discussed in the yesterday session. So now we are going to continue with this topic. Okay. So to do this, let's just give me a moment. Um, Okay. So now we are going to continue with our session. Okay. So let me get back to the Windows 10 operating system. Good. Right now, what we have to do, we have to right click. Okay. First, we have to click on new, and then I have to select a text document file, right? So I am clicking on it. Right now, as you can see over here, there is a new text document which has been got created on my desktop, right? So what I have to do, I have to just double click on it and have to open the text file. Okay. Inside this text file, I have to write the code. Okay. What is the first line of code that I have to write in the bash script?
Echo.
Sorry.
Echo.
Echo.
At the rate
Sorry.
echo.
Add echo off.
Yes. At the rate echo off.
What
Okay.
do you mean by off, sir?
Okay. So this is the first line that we have to write the same code in every bash script. Okay, if you wanted to create any bash script, then you have to write this code for sure. Okay, so next moving ahead, just give me a moment. This topic is done. This topic is done. Okay, okay, good. Now, yesterday we have seen how created some class, right? Colon hacker, and then we have created mkdir. Okay, so if I wanted to show you mkdir, and then now this is the new command that we are going to learn right now. Okay, so echo of colon hacker mkdir. So if you wanted to create some random folders, okay, so in that scenario, what you can do previously in the yesterday session, we have created the command like at the rate echo of mkdir hacker, right? In the yesterday session, we have learned this code. But today, what we are going to do, we are going to create unlimited folders in our system. Example, my class name is colon hacker. Okay, this is my class name. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to create a folder. But here, what I have done, I have mentioned the name as hacker, right? The hacker folder should be getting created. But what I wanted to do, I wanted to create some random folders, new random folders. Okay, so that what I'm doing, I'm just entering the command as colon random and colon. Then go to then hackers. Okay. So what it will do after victim is executing this file, there is a new class that was created known as colon hackers. First, it will start this class, and inside the class, then it will go to the second line. Second line, it is like mkdir to create the folders. So it will create what it will do. It will create some random folders with random names. Okay. Then what it will do, then it will go to the third line, go to hackers. It means that it will just restart the loop. Okay, it will go to the first loop and it will restart the loop. Okay, so now after writing this code, what we have to do, we have to click on the file, save as, and the name that we wanted to assign, like example cyber.bat. Okay, I have created the bat file name known as cyber.bat. Now I'm just clicking on save. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a new executable software has been got created. Okay, this is known as .bat file software. Okay, this is the .bat file software which we have created right now. So right now, as you can see, just try to focus over here, guys. Just try to concentrate over here right now. See, right now I have in the desktop, I have only one text document and I have one .bat file. Now, just try to watch it over here carefully. I'm just double clicking on it. Example, I have shared this victim to the victim, this file. Okay, I have shared this file to the victim, and victim has downloaded this file. After downloading, assume that victim has double clicked on it. Now you can see all the things has been come up, prompt has been created, opened, right? So created, open. Now you can see how many folders is got created. How many folders it got created? See,
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
unlimited. In the fraction of seconds, it's the operating system is going to get crashed. Okay, right now you can see my cursor is right now working fine. Okay, within few minutes or few seconds, it's going to be getting crashed. Okay, so this is the scenario right now. It's all the things. See, if I wanted to stop this attack, if I wanted to stop this attack in the scenario, see right now 3000 something files folders has been got created. Okay, so if I wanted to stop this attack, so right now there is a script that is running on the command prompt. So if I wanted to stop this script, so I have to press Control C button. After pressing, you can see over here, there is a new something has been got written over here known as terminate batch job, right? If you wanted to stop this like code in that scenario, what you have to do, you have to press Control C and it will ask you like, should you or do you wanted to terminate the batch job? So if you're typing yes and enter, then you can see now it stop creating the folders. Okay, now we got this many folders, right? So what is the solution? We can use the copier version of the operating system. Yesterday we have discussed now, before executing any virus, just try to create a copy of it by clicking on this icon, right? What is this icon does? It will take a copy, like it will take a snapshot of the Windows 10
Sir,
operating
your
system.
voice is breaking.
Okay. Am I audible right now?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes,
I'm
yes.
audible. Okay. So if you're facing any issues, kindly let me know. Okay, so what is the solution? Yesterday we have discussed, right? Before executing any virus, you have to click on this icon. What this icon does, it will create a copy version of Windows 10 operating system. Okay, example right now, how many folders got created? Something 4000, 6000, 9000, something folders got created. Okay, in the desktop. So if I wanted to use the copier version of the operating system, Windows 10 operating system, so what I have to do, I have to click on this. Okay, now you can see yesterday I have took the snapshot, right? I have took the copy, right? I have created the copy. Now you can see by restoring the snapshot, the current state will be lost. Right now, the current file will be getting lost. Do you wanted to restore snapshot 3? So it's showing, it's telling me like, do you wanted to recover the copier version of operating system 3, which you have done yesterday? Then if I'm clicking on yes, now you can see my Windows is getting reloaded. Now I'm using the copier version of Windows. Now you can see restoring virtual machine system. Now you can see earlier it was created something 9000 folders on the desktop, right? Now I have loaded the copier version of the operating system. Now you can see all the files like text file, bat file, all the folders has been got erased. Okay, got it? Do you have any doubts, guys? Anything? Is it got
No,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if you wanted to open unlimited command prompt or unlimited notepad or anything, unlimited. So in that
Okay.
scenario, there is a code. Okay, so right now we are going to see this code. Click on new text document, right? In the text document, inside the text document, what I'm doing, I'm just trying to write the code, right? So first line will be @echo off. Okay. So next, I have to create a loop because we have to open the command prompt and the notepad for unlimited numbers of time, right? So in that scenario, colon hacker, same thing. And now the thing that you wanted to open, start notepad. So you're going to start the notepad, start CMD, okay? The things that you wanted to start, okay? Next, anything. Uh, okay, let me just keep it as it is, okay? Then go to hack. Can you explain me this code, guys? What does this code will do? Guys,
Multiple command prompt on notepad will punch.
okay, so if I just add one more command, mkdir colon random. So in that scenario,
It will make random files, like random file with random names.
yes, yes. First it will going to open the notepad, then it is going to create the command. It will open the command prompt, then it will create the random folders on my desktop. Then it will go to the hack array, then hack array loop. Okay, so it will go to the first line, then first line will be executed, then the start notepad, then second line, then third line. Similar way, it will run for the unlimited time. Okay, so now what I have to do? I have to click on file, save as. Let me just rename the same thing, cyber.bat and save. Okay. Right now you can see over here, there is a new bat file that which we have created right now. Okay. It just popped up over here. Okay. So now just try to watch it here carefully. Right now, if I'm double clicking on it, now you can see. We're double clicking on it. Now you can see. See right now in the backend, see in the desktop, the new folders are getting created. Right now I can able to use the mouse cursor within fraction of seconds. It's going to getting crashed. See right now, slowly my cursor is loading. See slow. Right now see. In this scenario, you can't press Control C button. Okay. In this scenario, you can't press Control C button. There is an only one option to recover the operating system is you have to delete this operating system and you have to reinstall the operating system. Okay, because yesterday we have created the copier version of the operating system by clicking on this icon. Okay, so what you have to do right now, it's going to open unlimited time. Okay, so till it's getting crashed, you can't stop it like by clicking on the cross button. Okay, you can't stop it like cross. How many cross you are going to click? How many cross you are going to click?
Unlimited.
Virus, virus. So that we can't stop it. So, now you can see over here right now, my cursor is started loading. Is it visible? Right now, this is my cursor. It's loading. Can you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So to stop this attack, see right now my Windows 10 got crashed. Black screen. So to stop this, what you have to do, you have to click on this cursor, revert back, and do you wanted to restore snapshot 3? Yes. Got it. So right now it will take some time. See, right now I'm just reinstalling the copier Windows 10 operating system. Done? Do you have any doubts, guys? Anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to see one more practical. Okay. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to say right click, new, and text document. Okay. Inside the text document, what I have to do, I have to write the code. So in this code, first line will be, as you all know, @echo. Okay, just a moment. Okay. Echo off. Okay. This is the first line. Second thing, we wanted to show some message to the victim. Okay, once he has clicked on the file. Okay. So example, warning, you, okay, you got hacked. What is the message? It is going to pop up once the victim has double clicked on it. Guys, what is the message that is going to get popped up once the victim has double clicked on this file?
You got hacked.
You
Yes,
got it.
warning, you got hacked, right? So next, yesterday we have discussed one command known as shutdown, right? Backslash yes, backslash T, okay, backslash T, and timing that I am mentioning as 10. Okay, what does
Sir,
the
but
10 mean?
F is missing, sir.
Sorry,
FF.
F is missing. Why it's missing? Because if I'm adding backslash F,
Okay.
what we have discussed yesterday, we
It
are
forces
force,
shutdown system.
yes,
Forcefully will.
forcefully shutting down the operating system. Okay. In the
Okay.
previously in the yesterday's session, we have learned backslash T and zero we have mentioned. Zero, it means that within a fraction of seconds, it's going to shut down the operating system. But here, how many seconds I have mentioned?
10.
10. Why? Because I wanted to show some message to the victim.
Okay.
If I'm mentioning backslash F, it means that the victim can't able to read the message. It's directly
Okay, sir.
going to shut down. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that we are not using backslash F. We are not doing forcefully shutdown. When we have to use this F backslash F, when we are allocating the time as 0 seconds. Okay,
Okay.
if we are allocating more than 0 seconds, then we should not use the backslash F. Okay,
Fine,
and here
sir.
I mentioned the 10 because I wanted the victim to read this message that I have wrote. Okay, before shutting down. Okay, and then colon C for one more message. Okay, like system is
నేను చూస్తున్నాను క్లాస్ ఉన్నాడు
going to okay, the system is going to shut. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, shut shutting down, dude. See you soon. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is the code that I have wrote over here. Right now, what I have to do, I have to just, okay, this is the code that I have wrote. Just I have to save it. Okay, what is the extension that I have to save as? File,
Dot bat.
yes, save as cyber dot bat. CYBER, right? Save. Okay, so this is the message. So if just try to focus over here carefully, guys. So there is a new folder dot bat file which has been got created. Right, so right now if I'm just double clicking on it right now, you can see warning, you got hacked, and here there is a message, system is going to shutting down, dude, see you soon. If I'm clicking on close, now you can see warning, you got hacked. Now within 10 seconds it got shutting down. Right, how many message we have seen in this?
One message.
Two.
Two, sir.
One or
Two.
what was the messages?
You got hacked
Yes,
and see you.
That shutting down do see you soon.
yes, see you soon. Right, so these are the two messages that we got popped up. Okay, this is the another code. And then, okay. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to mention you guys. So if I'm right clicking, so this was our bat file, right? So if you want, this is our text file, this is our text file, and this is our bat file, right? As we all know. So if I wanted to read the code inside the bat file, I can do that. How I can do that? I have to right click on it and I have to click on edit. Okay, what was the code I was wrote?
@echo of message warning, you got hacked. This was one message, right? Second message was system is going to shut down. See you soon. Right? This was the second message. Okay. Right now over here, okay. Right now here over here, \s stands for
Shutdown. Shutdown.
shut down, right? Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, shut down. Okay, so if you wanted to shut down, we have to use \s. And if you wanted to restart the victim system, in that scenario, what you have to do? You have to use \r. Okay, \r. Or else what you can do, or you can use -s, or you can use -r. It is the same thing. Okay, you can use anyone. \s or -r or -s or \r. Anyone. Among these two, you can use anyone. Among these two, you can use anyone. Okay, \r or -r is used for restart the system. Okay, then if you wanted to switch user, \u or -u, okay, to switch switch user. Okay, next, if you wanted to log out the user, okay, if you wanted to log out the user, L, okay, or sorry, /u, log out the user.
So it is I or L, sir.
It's L, log out for L, log out the user. Okay, so these are the things, these are the commands that we have. Okay, you can use according to your requirement. Okay, so just give me a moment. Now we are. So, is it clear, guys? So, do you have any doubts or any queries?
What is
No,
slash
sir.
What is
/C?
/C? C is, it means that command, like prompt, command prompt, the
Okay.
prompt that we wanted to show message.
Okay.
Okay, if we wanted to show some message, so we have to use this -C and the message that you wanted to pop up.
Okay.
Okay.
C stands for comment, right?
Yes, comments or comment message. Okay, so this is the thing. Cool. So should we proceed ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
cool. Yes.
how can we share this file to in victim system, sir?
See, first method. Okay, first you can share this file with the help of pen drive. Okay, because you can't share these files with the WhatsApp or using the Gmail, because these are the platforms, they are going to block your virus by getting detected. Okay, so if you wanted to share this file, you can use the pen drive, or else what you have to do, you have to host your own hacking server, and inside this server you can paste the file inside the server, and then inside the server, okay, inside the server, then what you can do, you can share this server link to the victim. Got it? So this is the scenario that you can use.
Okay, sir, got it.
In the upcoming sessions, I'm going to show you how we can host our own server in our network. Okay? Cool? Okay. Done? Okay. So now by moving ahead, so let me just close this thing. Okay. Now you guys have to tell me. So what is this file? What is this file?
Normal text file.
Text file.
Normal text file. What will be the extension at the end?
.bat.
.txt.
Dot
Sorry, .txt, sir.
Yes. So what is this? What is this file?
Bat file.
Bad file.
Dot bat file, right? If I wanted to analyze this bat file, can I able to analyze the code?
Edit. Left click and right
Right
click.
click and
Edit.
edit. So can I able to analyze the code right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
if you wanted, like if you're sharing, assume that you guys have shared me. You guys have shared me this file. Assume that you have created and you guys have shared me this bat file. What I have done as a cybersecurity professional, I have right clicked on it and I have clicked on in it and I have just tried to analyze the code. By analyzing the code, I can get to know na, like whether it is a harmful one or normal one, right? Is it a virus or it is an actual file, right? I can get to know na, by analyzing the code, right? If I'm double clicking on it, what is going to be executed, what is going to be running in my victim in my system, right? So I can get to know this thing before executing the file, right? So to do this, to prevent this, what we can do, we can use one software. So what we have to do, okay, just give me a moment. So what we have to do, I have opened the browser, okay? So right now we was using the .bat file, right? So what we have to do, we have to convert this, we have to convert this, we have to convert this like the bat file, .bat file to .exe file. Why we are converting from .bat file to .exe file? Because if you're converting and if you're sharing this file to the victim, then the victim ca can't able to read the code or analyze the code. Okay, in the bat file, by right clicking I can analyze, na, edit by clicking on edit. But when it comes to the exe file, if I'm sharing the exe file, then in that scenario the victim can't able to analyze the code. Okay, to do this we are going to use one software. Okay, software, I will show you the software. Just you have to search the same thing, dot dot, okay, just give me a moment, dot bat bat to exe converter. What you have to search? Bat to exe converter, simple. After searching for this, what you have to do, there is a third link, right? Advanced bat to exe converter, right? It is the website name as well, advanced bat to exe converter. You have to click on it. Okay, it is going to open the website, and if you're scrolling a bit, you can see over here, click here to free download. Just you have to click on the green icon button, then it's going to starting the downloading. Okay, see, advanced to exe converter. In the morning also I have teacher the practical for them, so it is already available, but I'm just re-downloading this thing. Okay, see, right now I can find this software inside the documents folder, right now it's downloading. Let it get downloaded. Once it's got downloaded, I'm just copying and I'm just see. Now it got downloaded. What I'm doing, I'm just transferring the software to the Windows 10, right inside the Windows 10. Okay, so now what I have to do, I got the software advanced to bat converter exe, right? So now what I have to do, I have to double click on it, click on yes. Okay, then you are going to get the agreement. Click on I accept agreement, click on next, and it's going to installing the files. Now it got installed. Now you can see over here, after getting installed, there is a new icon. This is a software before downloading, and after downloading you are going to get a logo in the desktop. Okay, if you're clicking on it, now you can able to use the software. Now if you want, you can directly code over here. Example, what is the code that I was written in the bat file? Edit, and this is the code that I was wrote in the bat file, right? I'm just copying the same code. I'm just pasting the same code in the prompt. Okay, at the rate echo of message warning you got hard shut down and all the things. Okay, now if you want, so what you have to do, you have to click on this icon over here, build exe icon. Okay, but unfortunately it will not going to zoom. Okay, you have to click on this build exe icon. Okay, so this is the icon over here, build exe. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, you can see over here, if you want, you can select the icon. Okay, you can select the icon from the desktop. Okay, how you can download the icon? Yesterday I have showed you, right? We have downloaded the Chrome icon, right? Similar way, you can select the Chrome icon or any icon. Okay, so okay, right now what I'm doing, I'm just clicking on cancel. I'm just reselecting any one icon from this right now. Okay, let me just select this PC icon. Click on open. Click on build exe. Now you can see there is an icon that is got selected, that we have selected. Now I'm clicking on build exe. Now the file name that I wanted to keep as this PC. Okay, I have kept the file name as this PC and I'm just clicking on save button. Okay, now you can see exe saved and all the things. We got some prompt. Okay, let me just check it on the desktop. Have you got the icon over here? Have you got the icon?
Yes.
This PC icon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this what was the file extension of this?
Dot txt.
What is the file extension of this file?
Dot
bat.
bat.
What is the extension for this?
Dot ex.
.exe. Right now, if I wanted to show you, if I'm right clicking on it, I'm clicking on properties. Now you can see application name known as .exe. Okay. So this is the exe icon. Now, if I'm right clicking on it, now you can see there is a no option to read, like edit or anything. If you're sharing these type of softwares for the victim, then he can't able to read the code. Okay, if you're sharing the bad file to the victim, then he can right click and he can click on edit and he can read the code. Right, have you got the difference between .exe and .bat file?
Yes.
Okay, so what we can do in the .bat file,
We can read the code.
we can,
Read the code content.
yes, read the code, right, read the script. Okay, but when it comes to the .exe,
We can't.
we can't. See right now what is the file, that is the, what is the name that I have mentioned over here of exe file? This PC, right? The
Yeah.
icon also this PC icon, right? But
Hmm.
if I'm just double clicking on it right now, you can see warning first, system is going to shut down. Don't so save your work. Warning, you got hacked. Now within 10 seconds, it is going to shutting down my operating system,
In system.
right?
Uh,
Yes. Any doubts?
No.
Okay.
So can you show that random file one that
Random,
you no
random
no
file code one.
that random notepad and that command prompt one,
Sorry.
the virus which you had showed like before, that it opens with the command prompt and notepad as well.
Yes.
Can you show that code once again? Code
Okay,
code.
code. You want the code for the command prompt.
Yeah.
Okay, I will write the code once again over here. At the
Okay.
rate of
Colon.
just give me a moment. Some participants they have. Okay, okay, cool. Now we are good to go. Okay, let's just give me a moment, guys. So over here, I have to write at the rate echo off, and now what I can do, I can write. Now I have to create a loop over here. So loop for loop to create a loop hacker. Arey yaar, I'm not typing over here. Okay,
Colon
hacker.
hack.
Yes, yes.
Start.
Start
Start.
CMD start and notepad. Okay. So and then we have like wrote the command for
Go to
mkdir
go to
colon random call. Go to This is the code.
Okay, sir. Done. Thank you.
Go to in the sense returning the same thing, right, sir?
Sorry, go to in the sense?
Returning the same thing. It's like loop, right?
Yes, looping.
Okay.
Go to hacker, it means that then it will go to hacker. Hacker is in the first line, right? So it will just redirect to the first line, and then it will just after redirecting to the first line, it will just re-execute this, then it will re-execute this, then same thing, loop.
It's like a
Till
class
hacker.
name. Colon hacker. It's like a class name, right?
Yes, class name. Yes, it's like a class name.
And the goto is a return function.
Yes, go to is a written function.
Okay.
What is the
What?
name of this code, sir? It's like bad code.
Bash.
Yes, dot bad code.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So right now we have done with the practical part of the virus. But if you can see over here, let me just restore this thing. Okay, now you guys tell me, assume that I got this PC like exe file. We know this is comes under a virus, right? But assume that I am a victim. Okay, assume that I am a victim and I'm not executing this file. In that scenario, does it going to stay this file for the permanent duration in my system?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay. But what if the hacker writes a code to get hidden once it's got executed? Then in that scenario,
Victim can't see the file.
yes, right, the victim can't see the exe folder once he has executed. Okay, in the virus, just you have to note one thing. So virus, what does it mean? Virus, it means that if you wanted to execute the virus, then we need the victim interaction. Victim interaction in the sense, victim should double click on this software or file or script. Okay, if the victim is double clicking on it, then only his system will get hacked. Without clicking, we can't. Getting my point?
Yeah.
We need the victim interaction, in short.
So there are no ways to like execute that without the interaction.
No, no. How without interaction we can, but before that, what you have to do, you have to hack the victim whole system. After
Okay.
hacking the victim whole system, then you can manually execute this exe file. Example, in the Kali, what we have done in the Kali, if you are downloading, okay, if you are downloading any external, okay, if you are downloading any external external tool, okay, inside the Kali, what we are doing, if you wanted to execute this code, right, what we are doing, we are using some command, no, like Python 3 and the file name like uh, example ip changer dot py. We take an example. So we are executing this now manually by entering the commands, right? So similar way, what the hacker can do, if a hacker can able to hack your OS, then in that scenario, what he can do, he can browse to the directories or folders, right? Because he has hacked your system, right?
Mm.
Directory and folders which is present inside your system.
Mm.
Okay, then what he can do, he can manually execute the file, virus file. Example, he can manually execute the file. Example, this is the victim system. I have hacked the victim system. What I can do, I can, with the help of command prompt, I can go to the desktop directory like pwd, sorry, like cd and the directory. By going to the directory, then I, after getting to the desktop directory, I can just manually I can execute this file.
Okay.
Okay, so I can manually do this thing. If the victim is not double clicking or not executing this virus, before that, I have to hack the victim whole system without interaction. And with interaction, it means that the victim is directly clicking on this one. Without interaction, if you wanted to hack without interaction, you have to find any loophole inside the victim systems and you have to hack it. Once you are inside his system, then you can execute any softwares. Okay, so this is a thing.
How to
So in
hide
the
the file, so
sorry,
how to hide the virus?
how to hide the virus.
Hmm.
So we are going to see these things. Okay, so we are going to see this. Assume, okay, let's do one thing. Like assume that it's a task. Okay, if you are not getting, I will show you tomorrow.
Okay.
And one more thing, there is one more task. Okay, let's do one more task. There are two tasks that I'm ask. There are total three tasks that I'm assigning for you guys because I know you are very smart. Three tasks that I'm assigning you right now. First is first is you have to find the command to hide the file inside one directory. Inside one directory. Okay. Second task. Second task I'm going to tell you. Third task is you have to do some. You have to do in the morning match. What is the task that I have assigned?
It's a virus
Case
case
study of
study.
viruses.
Case study. Okay. So same thing. Case study. Okay. So case study आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Case study. Second task is that yes. So I want a folder. Okay, I want a script. Okay, I want a bash script. script, which should create, okay, as in 50 folders with the name as cyber security is one folder, cyber security one, cyber security two till cyber security two till
Infinite.
cyber security
49.
50.
49, right?
No, 50. I need 50. Okay, got it? Have you understood the task what I have assigned?
Yes,
First
yes.
thing,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to find a command to hide the file inside one directory, one specific directory. You have to mention the command like script inside the folder. Like it should go inside the C drive, inside the Windows, it should hide over here. So you have to mention manually in the script. You have to find the code, and then second task is you have to create like previously we have seen some loop, right? Loop
Yes.
inside the loop we have seen one command, right? mkdir colon random, right? So in this we are creating like lots of like unlimited folders, right? But I need
Mm.
some limited folders, 50 folders inside your desktop. And the file name should be cybersecurity first folder name, cybersecurity one for second folder name, cybersecurity two third folder name, till cybersecurity 50 folder. It should be inside your desk, like it should be shown in your desktop. Like if I'm clicking, if I'm double clicking on your script. Third is case study. Okay, you have to do some case study of the virus. Okay, why I'm telling you to do the case study? Because every company, assume that there is a company, they have faced the virus attack, right? So if they have faced the virus attack, so they are going to publish some case studies and they're going to publish some research papers, right? So you have to find the topic name. Okay, you have to find the topic name. Okay, and then you have to tell me tomorrow, like what are the softwares they have used or what are the methods they have used, how they have prevented the virus attack. Software names and uh, preventions, okay, and remediations. That is okay. That you have to tell me. Because why I'm telling you this thing to do this thing, because you are working in a professional like in a corporate companies, in that scenario, you might also face the virus attack. So if you are doing the case study research work, in that scenario, you can get to know like which software you have to use, or what is the prevention that you can take, or what is the type of remediations that you can take, right? You can stop the attacks by yourself because you have done the research work, right? So this was the practical till now, okay? So we have seen bat file and exe file difference, right? In the bat file, we can analyze the code, and when it comes to the exe file, we can't. Okay. Now, how to detect the virus? First thing, if we are executing the virus, our system will get slow, right? Second thing, our operating system might get crashes or freezes, right? High CPU usage. High CPU usage, it means that we have one thing known as task manager. What we can call it as task manager. What this task manager does, right now I am using the Chrome browser, VMware, right? Zoom, Notepad, File Explorer. Now you can see how many tasks are open over here. Total 6 tasks are open over here right now. Google Chrome is for presentation. I'm using Notepad for writing something. Task Manager, right now I'm opening the Task Manager. VMware, I'm right now currently using the Windows 10 operating system. Windows Explorer is open right now. Zoom meeting is for, we are doing the meetings right now, right? So,
देखा वीडियो फोन नहीं बस
sorry,
देखा कोई फोन नहीं तो
sorry.
करे मम्मी का है का कली वो
Okay, cool. So right now, what we can do, see right now, what is the color of these things? What is the color of these things?
blue
Blue, right? Example, assume that if there is a virus is executing on the backend, you don't know. Like you have created the code to hide the virus, but in the backend it's executing. Okay, you can't manually go to the each and every folder inside the C drive and you can't find it easily, right? So in that scenario, what you can do, you can open the task manager, and over here you can see the red color, like red color. Instead of blue color, you can see the red color. If you are seeing continuously red color, what you can do, you can right click on this task and you can click on end task. It's going to stop the virus. Okay.
so one
Did you?
doubt like
Yes.
can a virus hide in task manager as well
Can a virus?
hide in
No,
task manager
no. No. So these are
okay
the services that you're seeing that are interacting with the hardware.
mm-hmm.
Because right now I'm using the Zoom, it's interacting with the mic and like hardware things, chipset things, right? So example,
Mm-hmm.
Windows Explorer, I'm using some HDD, SSD. In the VMware also, I'm using the HDD, SSD, na, because my Windows 10 files has been inside the C drive, right? There is some inside the RAM or ROM, it has been got stored, right? So these are the
Yes.
things. In the Notepad also, if I'm saving something, so it's saving inside my hard disk. When it comes to the Google Chrome also, it's storing somewhere, right? Cache memory or something, temporary memory, right? So similar way, these are the software which is executing right now. All the things are interacting with the hardware right now. Okay. If you're hiding the thing, but it can't be hide inside the taskbar. Okay. In the taskbar, we can see the virus for sure. Okay, if the color is changing from blue to red, it means that the virus is executing in the backend. By seeing the red color, you can right click on it and you can click on end task. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, second method is clicking on the performance. In the performance, like in the Wi-Fi section right now, I have connected with the Wi-Fi. Right now, you can see there is a bar, there is a graph. So if the graph is going out of the bar continuously, like before after I've clicked on the Wi-Fi, you have seen like some graph has been got out of the line, right? After that, it got down. Why so? Because sometimes it will go like fluctuation. It has been happening on the network. But if you have executed the virus and if the virus is running in the backend, in that scenario you can continuously see the graph out of the line continuously. By seeing the graph, you can get to know yes, you are under the virus attack. And in the backend, some hacker is using you controlling your system. Okay, you can get to know this thing by seeing this graph. Okay, so see, next battery draining quickly using the virus total website. So there is a website known as virus total. In this virus total, this website is used in the law force agencies by the digital forensics guys. Okay, why we use this website? Because see, in this website we have three options over here: file, URL, and search. The website name is known as virus total. Okay, we have three sections over here. So assume that I am the victim. I got any file, suspicious file. If I'm clicking on it, choose file, and if I'm selecting the file, you can see right now if I wanted to show you, let me just show you the same thing. Right now, this is the thing, like this is the this PC that we have created, right? So let me just upload this PC on inside the virus total website. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me just split the screens. Okay. Okay, let me just give me a moment. Okay, cool. Right now, let me just transfer it to the download section. अरे यार बाहर नहीं आ रहा है इसका. Yes. Okay, right now it's pasting right now. Okay, it's pasting right now. It will take some time. Right. Now I have transferred from Windows 10 to Windows 11 main operating system, but you shouldn't do this thing because I have done some configurations inside the VMware. Right now my browser is not working, so that I'm just transferred inside my main operating system. Okay, if I'm opening the virus total website, okay, this is the exact exe file that we have created, right? That this pc.exe. So I'm selecting this pc.exe, and if I'm clicking on open, and if I'm clicking on confirm upload, it's scanning, right? Okay. Let it assign some time. It's scanning right now. Okay. Now we completed the scan. Okay. What is the number over here? It is showing right now.
13 by 72.
13 by
72.
72. What does it mean? The file that we have uploaded, this pca.exe, this file has been scanned by 72 companies. This one single file has scanned by 72 companies. And out of 72 companies, 13 companies are using high levels of detecting algorithms, like virus detecting algorithms, in short. Okay, so examples, see, these are all the 72 companies that have scanned my file. So among this, okay, among this, you can see over here, we have the Google. Google is using advanced levels of virus detecting algorithms. And one more thing, if you wanted to buy some antivirus software, you can buy the McAfee because they are also using some advanced levels of algorithm. Okay, if I wanted to show you some more which has been not detected, they are using some least version of algorithms like Bitdefender. This is also and Avash. This is also like, I hope you have heard this thing. CrowdStrike, K7 antivirus, Kaspersky. Okay, these are also antivirus. All the things are antivirus companies, but these are the most things you have heard. Bitdefender antivirus, Microsoft, Alibaba also has undetected, Baidu. So these are the companies which has been undetected. Okay, these are the companies, they are using the advanced levels of algorithms to detect the viruses. Okay, if you wanted to purchase some subscription of antivirus, you can purchase among this. Okay, we have heard the Maker free software. So if you want, you can purchase their license if you want. Okay. Then moving ahead, unusual file modifications, okay, creating some unexpected new files or files corrupted or altered, rename, right? So unexpected deletions, example, automatically deleting the files from your systems, or strange new files, example, automatically new files is getting created, right? Example, we have seen mkdir and hacker, space hacker. So if the victim is executing it, so he can see some new file, na? New folder, same thing. File size changes or anything, okay? Zip file or anything. Operating system, like unusual error messages getting, or programs are restarting, like operating system is automatically restarting without doing anything. Applications falling out, run on, crashing suddenly, operating system crashing, right? Or applications crashing, automatically disabling the firewalls and all the things. Okay, these are some things that by seeing these things, okay, by seeing these things, we can get to know, yes, our system is under the virus attack. These are the symptoms. Okay, these are the symptoms: overheating, unusual sounds, battery draining quickly, heating problem, right? By seeing this thing, we can able to know, by seeing the symptom, we can able to know, yes, our system is under the virus attack. How we can stop or how we can prevent the virus attack? By using frequent backups. Okay, because what we have done, we have executed the unlimited numbers of command prompts or unlimited numbers of files, right? But before executing the file, what we have done, we have took a backup, we have created a copy of this operating system, right? So that after executing the unlimited command prompts, I have used the copy version of the operating system by reverting back the operating system, right? So this is the thing, using the awareness training, right? So I have aware you right now, right, how the virus has created, what is the file names, right? So you got the awareness. So anyone is sharing you the file, same files, then you can able to know, right, this is the virus file, no, I'm not going to execute it. Using Windows Defender, right? Windows Defender, it means that we are having the inbuilt software known as Windows Defender, right? This is the Windows Defender, Windows Security Defender. Okay. And one more thing, we have one more software from the Microsoft known as MRT. MRT stands for Microsoft Removal Tool. So if you wanted to use this tool in the scenario, what you have to do? What you have to do, you have to press Control plus R button in your keyboard. After pressing, it will ask you the search section. In the search section, what you have to type? MRT. Like if I show you right now, Windows R, right, open, I have morning I have taught them this practical. So in the open, you can see over here it MRT, you have to mention over here MRT, and you have to click on OK. And now you can see it will ask you to enter yes, click on yes. Okay, now you can see a pop-up over here right now. So here you have to click on the next, like say Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Okay, so you have to click on next. Now you are going to find three options here. First option, quick scan. If you wanted to scan quickly of your operating system, then you can select the first option, which will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Second option, full scan. If you wanted to scan completely, like each and every file, each and every folder, right? Like in the C drive, we have lakhs of files, right? 50 lakhs, 20 lakhs of files. So in the scenario, if you wanted to scan, it is going to scan each and every file and folder. It will take around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay, customize scan. If you have downloaded any software or any tool, in that scenario, you can click on choose folder and you can select the file or folder. Okay, now if you are doing the quick scan and click on next, it will start scanning the files. Now you can see over here how many files are infected, it will showing you how many files are scanned, it will showing you all the things. Okay, got it? In the interview, they are going to ask this thing, what is the full form of MRT? And using the task manager, we have seen earlier, right? Using the task manager, how open the task manager, we have showed you the graph and colors. If the colors are changing blue to red, it means that virus has executed. By right clicking on it, we can stop the thing. Using trusted website, example, this is the website, right? Using some trusted website, we can able to detect and we can able to prevent our system from the virus attack. Restarting the system, okay? And one more thing, by pressing the ESC and Control C, we can quit some of the viruses, not completely, some of the viruses. Okay, by keeping software updated, we can prevent the virus attack by using some firewalls, installing some antivirus softwares, okay, avoiding suspicious email attachment or avoiding some malicious files downloads, okay, disabling auto run. Okay, so this we are going to see in the upcoming sessions. Okay, don't worry about it. How we can disable auto run or USB, how we can block the USB port. Regular system scans. Regular system scan, it means that, see, this is the regular system scan. Within 1 week, okay, in every week, within every week, you have to do the scanning part of your system. Okay, so next moving ahead, regular system scan using password practices, right? Your password should be strong and using two-step verification. Okay, so these are the preventions, and the task is that I have assigned you is virus case study, third task, right? So this is the virus topic that we have learned so far. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Guys, are you able to understanding the sessions?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. It's very easy.
Sure, or you do want, should, sorry, would you want me to go slow or anything?
No, you can
No,
go
sir.
fast
Your
as well.
the speed is good.
Okay, just wait 1 minute. Okay. Yes, a part of Jit,
Yes, sir, understanding. And you can increase the pace as well.
increase the,
Pace, like you can faster the course as well.
I can faster the course, but many of the participants, they are like from the different domain. They have joined the course. So
Okay.
as per the participants, as per the basis of participants, we have to go slow.
Yeah.
But we will increase the speed for sure. We are going to learn high levels of practicals. We have lots of time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, a part of Swapnit. Anyone else? Udaya, Kumar, Sujan, Srisha, Kumar, Sanjay Kumar, Sarun Kumar, Puneet, Darshan, Pawan, Nitin, Jay, Rehan. Is it okay or would you want me to go slow? Please let me know. Or any
It's okay, sir.
No, sir, this flow is okay.
No
if
doubt,
you're
no doubts.
if you're facing any issues, please let me know. Don't try to
No,
hesitate
sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
because you're paying the amount, so it's your right. Okay, cool. Okay, so today what we have discussed, now you guys tell me. You have heard the session, right? So now you guys tell me what we have discussed.
One was that notepad and that command prompt, that one,
Hmm.
like the crashing one. And one more was like making like multiple n number of folders.
Hmm.
And
First thing,
one,
unlimited folders that we have created, right? Unlimited folders, and then we have create, okay, unlimited folders. Then after that, we have created this second virus, which is of a random unlimited folders, random folders. It will come like second folder was like opening the unlimited command prompts and the notepad, CMD and notepad. And before that, we have done one more thing. Yes, showing some message to the victim
yeah,
before
you got
shutting
it.
down.
And converting bat files to exe.
Message to the victim and then bat file to exe file. Okay.
And
Uh,
virus prevention and other thing
detection.
like, yeah.
and prevention.
Different antiviruses.
Yes, prevention. And no, it will comes under detection only. Okay, so it will in the detection we have detected, we have used the antivirus. I've shown you examples inside. It will comes inside. These are the main topics. Okay, that we have learned in the today's session. Like different website, it will comes under detection. We have seen MRT tool, Microsoft Removal tool. It comes under detection only. And one more thing, guys, to be frank, I don't wanted to hide you from you. So right now, what we are doing as a trainer, we are observing, okay, observing the students, okay, observing the students. To be frank, I'm telling you, I'm not hiding something. First thing, what we are doing as a trainer, we are observing the students, and once they have completed the course, okay, once they have completed the course, you will be having the job placement, right? They have told you that we are going to provide you the job assistant and we are going to provide you some jobs, right? So in that scenario, after completion of the course, we are going to monitor you guys for the entire duration of the course. And once you have completed the course, we are going to recommend like some students which are active in the entire course, and those who are completing the task on day-to-day basis. Complete the task on day-to-day basis. We are going to, as a trainer, we are going to recommend their names to the companies to give the first priority, to be frank. Because if like you have enrolled to the course to learn something, right? So you have to be active on the session. Okay, you have to active in the session, and as well as you have to complete the task. If you're active, if you're joining regularly, and if you're completing the task, I am sure, I am sure that you can able to achieve the job easily, for sure. So that what we are doing, we are recommending some names from the trainer, for sure. Okay, now it's upon you guys, like how you are going to perform into the entire course duration. Okay, if you want job or if you want any more assistant, then we are going to give you the priority. Because if you are good, then definitely as a trainer we are going to observe you, right? We will get to know like, yes, he's the good, like he was active, he knows everything. He was active, he was very responsive, he is like very curious to learn the things, he is like done all the tasks, right? He wants to learn, right? So in that scenario, we are going to recommend their names to the companies, for sure. Job placement will be for everyone, but we are going to give them the priority. Like, please, these are the best students that from our company. Okay. Now it's upon you guys, like how we are going to perform. Just for the reminder, I have told you this thing. Okay, just keep a note. Okay, just keep a note and just try to be responsive on the sessions. Well, okay.
Sir.
But to be frank, if it possible, if I having the vacancies as well, do you know I have one WhatsApp group? I have one WhatsApp group where I share some job things. Okay, like job things. Example, if I wanted to, if you have you seen my LinkedIn?
Yes, sir, I have
Yes.
seen.
Have you gone through my post?
Not post, but I've gone to to your
Yes, sir.
profile.
How many of you have gone through my post LinkedIn post?
I have seen your post.
Okay, see in my post, if you have observed carefully, okay, so right now ministry, where was the post it went? Yes. So in the post, like if you have seen, if I wanted to show you software development testing engineer, okay, it will comes under cyber security. So how much they was paying? 50,000. Typically how much? 6 months. Each month you are going to get 50,000 from the which company? Best company, Airbus, famous company. Second internship from the DRDO, which was from the cyber security, CSC, computer science engineering, like CSC AI cyber security, 5,000 per month, minimum 6 months of internship, but it's good because you are getting a certificate from DRDO, based government agency, Intel, law force agencies, Cisco. Cisco, they was also providing the internship. Okay, VAPT job roles. Okay, this was also paying. Intel, they're also hiring for the information security or cyber security, full time internship, shift one. Okay, once you have entered in this now as an intern or this thing, you can easily get the job. Opportunity at GPU technology, CPU, Intel. Okay, HP, Bangalore, Karnataka. HP was paying how much? 31 to 33,000 per month. Role as an HP AI lab, okay, which was very good. Okay, it's related to the AI, but over here Qualcomm was also hiring some role like SOC validation and debug. Okay, next if I wanted to show you more things, Maharashtra Cyber Cell. Do you know Maharashtra has lots of budget? How much is the like cybersecurity analyst? I have told you cybersecurity analyst, no? So 6 months to 2 years of duration. How much they are paying per month? Per month. This is the scenario. Cybercrime investigators, like digital forensics guys, if they have 2+ years of experience, this is the amount. Cert 2 to 8+ years of experience, this amount. Do you know, to be frank, this is the amount. Like if you're like SOC, if you have 5 years of experience, you can get this much of salary. Because in the government, you have lots of data to manage. So that they are paying you very well. Because if they are not paying you very well in that scenario, you can sell the data, na? They are providing you the access of their whole database.
ಟಾಸ್ಕಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗೈತೆ
Darshan. Okay, good.
ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್
Cool. Okay, cybersecurity trainers. Okay, so 2 years, 2+ years, 5. Okay, this is the thing, 5 lakhs per month. TIA analyst. Okay, these are the things. Okay, so they have very much budget. I have posted the link as well, but it was launched on the March 2025, which was this in this year. And ISRO was also paying some internship, like they was also providing some internship. Okay, so and see, this was the some government website. So see, I have mentioned over here how much was the internship duration, which I have posted over here, 2.5 months. Any guesses like what was the amount that they were paying? Any rough amount?
30 to 40K.
3 to 40K. Okay, let's see.
30 to 40K.
Stipend,
40,000.
cyber security for 1 month. Okay, see. If I wanted to show you the proof as well, apply by deadline 7th March. In this sheet, these are the all the like fields. Okay, duration was 2 to 5. Summer internship. This is the website. In the website, they have mentioned March 7, 2025, and see, they have mentioned. uh, Will I receive the stipend? Intern will receive a stipend for of rupees 40,000 per month. In the website, they have officially they have wrote. And this was like if you wanted to work with the law enforcement agency, Telangana Cyber Police, okay, Cyberabad. So in this also they was having some vacancies, okay, but right now they are not accepting the things because it is this law force agencies, they are like limited time offer. Okay, if you are just grabbing, well and good, else no, we have missed. And DRDO, do you know I have shared many things, like they was paying DRDO, they was paying 8,000 to 12,000 per month in the field of cyber security itself. Okay, many of the students have connected me regarding this. See how many impressions over here. Just see, only one post, 6,40,000
Like for
impressions. How many comments over here? 37 repost, 2,880 post. Oh, sorry, likes and all the things. These many plays got placed because I have posted this post After posting this post, many of the students they got placed. Okay, this was in the Kerala, Bangalore, and all the things I have took the sessions, Pune.
One doubt.
Yes.
Uh, the institute will provide us like internships or direct jobs.
Sorry,
The institute will provide us internships or jobs.
which one?
After completing the course, will
Yes,
for
which
the
course? Which
placement
course?
ethical hacking.
Both the things as per the availability, like they have some companies tie up. So to as per the like requirements, company requirements, if the company wants the interns, so they are going to they are going to post a job post on the WhatsApp group. Like internship, if you want, you can do. Else they are going to post the job roles.
Okay, sir.
Both the things. Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me just accept this thing. Good. Okay, so right now I'm just going to cross followers. Okay, more 400 to go to reach the 6,000. Aha. Okay, so see, there is a application. Some guy has posted this thing. There is a application. Okay, application is name is known as
Wedding card invitation.
wedding invitation card dot
APK.
apk file. So how we are going to detect whether it's a malicious file or not?
We'll just copy paste the file into like the
Virus
virus
loader.
website.
Yes. First thing you have to download. If you're downloading, in that scenario, it's not a problem. When we are getting the problem, when we are executing it, right? So in the virus also, if you're downloading it will not show any problem. When you're executing the virus, then it will comes under a problem, right? Same thing. APK you can download. This is the assume that this is a virus APK. You have downloaded. It's not a problem. But when you're opening and when you're running or when you're executing it, then you are going to get hacked. Then it will comes under a problem. Okay. To be frank, today live, like from the like Karnataka recently, I was in the previous company, I was like trained the government teachers, like around 2000 teachers they were having. So I have trained the teachers. So today morning I got one call from the teacher, like one teacher they have got the APK file, and by chance like APK file name also like digitalocker.apk. So they have executed the file. After executing the file, they have not shared any OTP. Automatically 1,50,000. Like one attempt, 5,000 loss. One attempt, 5,000 loss. Like 10,000 to be frank. 10,000 loss. Like similar way, they have lost 1,50,000 from the bank account. Today only morning I got the call from them. Like, sir, can you able to help us like with this? Our like one teacher they have by chance they have clicked on the APK file, like they was not attended at the session but we have attended, so we have got to know like this is a virus thing, so that we need just your reference, so can you just help us to this thing. So I have just given the remediations for them, what is the scenario that they can do. See, first thing is that you don't know like what is the power of LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn you can learn many things, many things, like example SOC. If I wanted to go for the SOC, so there is some participants they are sharing this documentation 269. I can, by seeing this thing, data center, WAN, LAN, CAN, by seeing this I can able to read the things. LinkedIn is very powerful. See, this is also one my participants, like I have trained them the Cisco course. Okay, NetAcad course like CCN and all the things. Okay, penetration testing, see all the things. This is the power of LinkedIn. Like you can see all the things, documentation, step by step procedure. So that in the at last of this course, I'm going to show you how to create the professional LinkedIn account. What are the things that you need to upload? What are the things you need to post? If you're posting any post, what is the correct format to post the post? Okay, there will be a format. If you're uploading the post, there will be a format. Example, she is a very famous cyber security girl. Okay, so what she does post everything. Okay, right now she got many less likes for one post, 65. But if you're seeing her profile, she will has lots of followers, 500 plus followers, connections. Like she has more for sure. I'm sure for it. Why? Because she has using some correct format of the post. Okay, so there is some correct format, the way is interactive, like there is some questions or anything, like there is some main header in the upper bar. Okay, there is she has some user some logos, she has divided it to the point wise. Okay, so that the user can easily read the things. Okay, so there is some post. Okay, so this is the thing. See, right now this guy has what he has uploaded in the post, just one logo, one line, and one logo, and second line some hashtags. How many likes he got? 9. Just 9. Okay, so as per your basis, like 9 hours has been happened, but I'm sure that you're not going to get lots of the things, because algorithm is not going to show your post to the different users. Okay, so this is the thing. So you have to use the correct post format before uploading any post. Now see, I have done the scanning MRT tool. Now if I'm clicking on view results of the scan, see, it's going to show you all the things. Like malware, these are types of malware. So is it got detected in your system anything? Not infected, not infected, not infected, not infected, all the things not infected. If I'm clicking on OK, now you can see here you have already got a message, no malicious software was detected. If it's getting detected, it will show you the path over here as well. Okay, it will show you the path over here as well. Okay, by clicking on finish, then done, we are good to go. Okay, so do you have any doubts or any